Welcome. If you want to see all comments that contain specific keywords on Instagram using your PC, especially after the latest update, this guide is for you. Instagram's recent changes give you more control over which comments appear on your posts, making it easier to manage conversations and avoid missing important feedback. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary features. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the icon labeled More. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on this icon to expand the menu and reveal additional options. Next, find and click on Settings. This will open a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Instagram experience. From the list of settings, select Hidden Words. This section is designed to help you manage which comments and messages are filtered based on specific keywords. Once you're in the Hidden Words section, look for the option called Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll see a list of keywords and phrases that Instagram uses to hide comments automatically. To make sure comments containing your chosen keywords are visible, you need to disable the Hide Comments feature. Simply switch off this setting. By disabling it, Instagram will stop hiding comments that contain your custom keywords or phrases, allowing them to show up publicly on your posts. That's it. With these simple steps, you can now control which comments appear on your Instagram posts from your PC. This update is especially useful if you want to engage more openly with your audience or monitor specific discussions on your content. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these updated Instagram features. Enjoy a more open and interactive comment section.